If you're a wise spender and you are good in making wise decisions, good decisions about money, definitely you are going to be able to start a business under 1 million naira. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing 11 profitable businesses that you can actually start under 1 million naira. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady on the beats, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. To my new subscribers, you are welcome to join this our community. Thank you so much. Now let's dive into this video. Unlike before, 1 million naira can do quite lots of things in our lives. 1 million naira can buy a car, but I doubt that right now because prices of goods have actually gone high. And if you're a good manager, if you're a good planner, with good research in that particular business of your interest, you can be able to start a business under 1 million naira. And a lot of people have started business 1 million naira and they are not making it. That people that started without anything, people that started with 200k, 100k, 500,000 naira are making more money than them. What is the difference? Is strategy. And right now, let's dive into those businesses that you can actually start under 1 million naira. Number one business that I always put first. If you have been watching my videos, you'll notice that I like food business because it is a very, very profitable business that you can actually start. No matter how you start food business, unless you are not interested, unless you are not serious about starting this particular business, definitely you are going to be making money. Food business is a very good business that you can actually start under 1 million naira and beverages. If you want to go into wholesale drinks, definitely is going to make money for you. You only need is to look for where there is traffic. Whether you want to start food stuff business, whether you want to start a mini restaurant business, definitely is a profitable business that can actually help you to make money. And the next business on my list is agricultural business. Agricultural business today is a very profitable business that you can actually go into. You can go into farming, you can go into crops and vegetables, you can also go into poultry business, you can also go into fish farming if you're interested. You can also go into goat rearing, piggery. Any of these, anything farming actually works. If you have a good land, you can also lease a land, get a lease land. Yes, any amount that they are ready to give it out to you and you're interested, start that particular business. And the next business is logistics business. Logistics business is a very, very good profitable business that you can actually start right now because there are lots of items and products to be sent out, and you are the one man middle person that can actually do this job. If you're actually good in doing logistics communication with people, definitely you can start this business under 1 million and it's very, very profitable because it doesn't take time for you to start seeing your profits. Yes, it's also very lucrative because of e-commerce business. People are sending quite lots of business products outside their reach, and you are the one person that is going to send it out to them. So if you bring out yourself, introduce yourself to people that you can actually deliver, and once they know that you can actually deliver their goods to their destination, you are good in this particular business. You can start. And the next business is grocery supermarket business. Go into shop price, go into all those shopping malls. You can see what people are actually shopping for. Everyday needs. Everyday needs is very, very important. Supermarket business, different items in the shelf. And definitely you are going to make sales. Go into shops, shopping malls. People are buying things for events, for programs, for homes, and for offices. Definitely, this is a good profitable business that you can actually start under 1 million if you have interest in starting it. And why won't I go into the next one, which is cosmetics business, personal care? People want to look good, people want to take care of their skin, their face, everything. Lotion, cream, you want to go into body spray, perfume, it is actually a good business. Let them know that you can actually do this kind of business under 1 million. It is a very, very profitable business that you can actually start. And what is the next business that we can actually go into is boutique business. Boutique business, whether it's for male, whether it's for female, whether it's for children, is very, very profitable and lucrative. You can start this business under 1 million. Look for good space. You understand, where people can actually see you, and make sure you are getting good quality items for sale. And before you know it, you start making good money. You understand? And the next business you have to start is fabric business. Fabric business today is making money for people, and it's a very good profitable business that you can actually start under 1 million naira. I bet you don't know. People shop for Ankara and they sew. People want customized, wares to wear, whether it's lace, whether it's different materials, whether it's sample materials you want to go into. You can source for them in China, you can source in Lagos, you can source in Aba, you can source in Onitsha, and different areas, places that even America and UK. People source for all these items and sell them. Fabric business is a very good, lucrative business that you can actually start under 1 million naira. And the next business that you can actually start, profitable business you can start, is online business. Online business, I will categorize them into e-commerce business, mini importation business, freelancing jobs, content creation, what again? Copywriting, any of these project yourself, do your profile, buy the necessary equipments, train yourself to become an authority in this particular field, and definitely you will get results. Yes, blogging, any of this online business is actually going to make you money. And the next business, profitable business that you can actually start under 1 million, is to open a salon. Whether it's unisex for men or for female, for kids, any particular salon that you're going to start right now, as long as you are ready to do this business, you can employ people to help you. People, you can sell wigs, sell other items. As they're making their hair, you can do wigs, you can fix wigs with on, you can fix hair, you can plait and braid. This is a very good profitable business. Once people know that you can actually do this thing, project yourself to be able to, make money, and people will trust you and become your customer. The next business that you can actually start, profitable business you can start under 1 million naira, is what? Retail and importation business. Retail sales, yes, anything that you actually want to sell. You want to go into building materials, you want to go into different kinds of items to sell, definitely is going to help you to make money, guys. Any of this business, buying and selling of different items, you can import goods, open your shop and start filling them up. Make sure anytime you're looking for businesses to start, you are getting a good place that has traffic. That is the secret to business. And know your strategies to get people to become your customers. And the next business that you can actually start under 1 million naira is bakery, pastry, anything baking, pastry, confectionery business. You don't actually need to know how to do some of these things. And it's a very good, profitable business that you can actually start under 1 million naira. Guys, any of this business, if you have anyone that you actually want to write or talk to us about, put it in the comment section. This is where I'm going to end my video, guys. If you enjoy watching my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's a baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time, and bye bye, guys.